Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mark, and in today's video I'd like to run you through the process of how you can start to mine Votecoin. Today we're going to go through how you can set up your wallet for Votecoin, where you can find your software and how you configure your software for mining Votecoin, and then finally we're going to find out where you can see all your stats, what your speeds are and how many coins you're receiving. Just as a side note, many of the steps we go through in this video, they are not exclusive to Votecoin. Although other coins will use different wallets and maybe different mining software, the steps needed to get mining are generally the same. So once you get used to doing it for this, you can start looking at other coins. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started there are going to be a few files we need to download from the interweb. So I suggest you create yourself a folder, just call it Votecoin. Leave it on your desktop so it's nice and easy to find. And then come over to the Votecoin website, the link is in the description. And we're going to scroll down to where it says download Votecoin for Windows and Linux. So we're going to click on download Votecoin and that will bring you to the GitHub page, which is here. And again, just scroll down about halfway down the page and you will come to Windows Releases. Click on Windows Releases and here you can find Votecoin version 1013 at the time of this video. Simply click on the version you need. So I'm on Windows, I've downloaded the Windows zip and I've saved it into my Votecoin folder. Once you've done that, using WinRAR or WinZip, just right click, extract your files here, and that will give you your Votecoin folder. We have a README file in here. I suggest downloading Notepad++ if you haven't already got it. Notepad for Windows doesn't do a very good job of presenting these text documents in a readable way. So once you come in here, there's some upgrade information, but the chances are this is your first install. And the first thing it tells you need to do is there's two other files you need to download, and they've put the links here in the README. So all you want to do is copy and paste each of these links into your browser and it will bring you directly to a download. The first one's 868 megabytes, quite big, so it may take you a few minutes. And again, just do the same for the second one here, your verifying key. Control copy and paste it into your browser window. And again, that one will download. Once you've done that, you want to show your downloads. As you see, I've already done this, and you want to copy those over to your Votecoin folder, and most importantly they need to go into the folder called ZK Slark. So once you've downloaded these files, pop them in here and you're ready to go on to the next step. And the next step is starting up the Votecoin daemon. That's as easy as double clicking and this will open up, and now you've created a new node which is going to connect to the network and start synchronizing to the blockchain. You can see your status here. As you can see, I'm already on 78%. I started this process about an hour ago. It can take a while, but now we're running. You just want to leave this run and we can continue once we're at 100%. While we're waiting for that to happen, we can get on to the next step, which is downloading your miner software. So let's do that now. Okay guys, so while that's downloading in the background, what we want to do is find our software for actual mining. So if you come along to mining speed, links in the description, and come to the top and choose Votecoin for your coin. As you can see, mining speed do a few other coins as well, but we'll select Votecoin for the time being and scroll down and find the miner setup. Now you can download for your CPU, for AMD graphics cards, NVIDIA graphics cards. Today I'm going to be doing NVIDIA. I'm going to simply click on download EWBF miner, which will take you through to Bitcoin Talk. This is where he There's all these latest releases, and scroll down a little bit and you'll find the links for the download. Now, depending on what version of Windows you're running, this is where you may run into some issues. Because of the nature of mining software, Windows tends to pick it up as a virus and doesn't like you to download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded it here. You want the bottom one here. The latest version is 3.4b, and select download as zip. That will take a few moments to download. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you some of the issues you can get on Windows as far as virus scanning is concerned, and how we can get around it. So once it's downloaded, it's going to ask me where to save it. Now, I am going to put it in a new folder on my desktop. Well, I'm just going to put it straight to my desktop. I'm going to click on save. And once that's saved, you'll notice that it comes up with a virus and threat protection. Threats were found. So if we click on this, Windows won't allow you to download this because it thinks it's a virus. It is not. There's thousands of people using it. I use it all the time. So how do we get around this? You want to come to your scan history and you want to come over here to virus and threat protection. Come down here to virus and threat protection settings, and then scroll a little further down, and you want to go on to exclusions, add or remove exclusions. Here you can add files or folders which you can exclude from being scanned. So all I simply done was I added an exclusion. I selected the folder and I came to my Votecoin folder on my desktop and simply select that folder. You'll get the Windows verification message come up, and now that's been added to the exclusions folder. So next time you come back here, we'll clear this out, and again we'll download this as a zip file. If you don't get the option to where to save from Chrome, it's simply a case of going into your settings, going on to Chrome settings, scroll down if you haven't already got advanced selected, and find the option for where you download to. Advanced settings, keep scrolling down, downloads, where would you like to download? You want to select this option here, ask where to save each file before downloading. Make sure that's selected, which means you'll get this box come up and on this occasion you want to save it to the folder you added to the exclusions. Click on save, and this time you should have the miner on your computer without any virus warnings. So we'll come back into Votecoin. I had a folder called miners, and here we go, we have ZecMiner. Once you've got this file on your computer, just right click and extract here. Come into ZecMiner. Once you've opened this file, you'll find all the previous versions. Again, you just want ZecMiner 3.4. Again, we'll go extract here. And here we go, 0.3.4b. This is where your software is for mining. All we need to do now is set this up. So to get going, guys, we're nearly there. We're going to have to create a new bat file so we can pass information to the miner with all our details, our address and our mining pool from where we want to go. So if you come back to mining speed, and next to where you downloaded the miner from, you want to click on miner config, and then depending on the miner you downloaded, we downloaded EWBF, you want to copy this string of text here. Don't you love it when it doesn't quite work? You want to copy this, come back into your folder where your miner is, right click and create a new text document, and we'll call this whatever you like, but start and then open it up and paste in that information. So what you've got here, you've got miner.x, this is the program that's going to be doing the mining. Here we have mining.minerspeed.com, this is the pool we're going to be mining on. And then you've got your user, this is your wallet address. Now wait, we haven't created a wallet address. So if we come back to our Votecoin daemon that we had running earlier on, and this is good, we are now synchronized with the blockchain. Now we're synchronized with the blockchain, we come back to our original folder and we want to double click on vote.pat. Once you get this going, it's nice and easy. Just read the help file here. VOT address, generate a new T address. Simply type in VOT space ADDR, push enter. We have now just created our very first Votecoin address. What you want to do is highlight this and copy, come back to the text document, replace this address with the one that you just created. You don't want to be mining to somebody else's address. And then you've got .computer1 here. This is where you put a name to your mining device. So my computer, it could be your particular card, you could have several cards set up. For this we're just going to call this computer1, and then you can leave everything else the same, password X because we're not going to be using a password, and then the port number. Once you've done that and put in all your details of your address, I'm going to close that and save. We need to go back into our miner where I just saved that to. And then you just need to change this to, instead of .text, you want to change it to .bat. Now if you don't have this option available to you, just click on yes, pop up here to the view, make sure you have file name extensions ticked, and that will allow you to change the extension name. Once you're done with that, all you got to do is double click, EWBF's miner will start up. I've just realized I'm still mining with another piece of software. The miner will find your graphics card and start mining, and as you can see already shares are being accepted from the mining pool. I'm mining on a 1070, I'm currently getting 403 souls, and that's it, we're all set. Okay guys, so I've been mining here for about 5 minutes, and now you might be wondering, where do you find out your stats? How do you find out how you're doing, how much you're making? And that's quite simple really. What you want to do is, you've already got your address in your clipboard, but on your wallet just double check that you've highlighted and copied your wallet address, and then it's as simple as coming back to miner speed, and in the top here you'll find miner lookup. Paste in your wallet address there, and that will take you to your own stats page where you can see what speed you're mining at and how your balance is looking. Now I've obviously only just started mining, so I haven't got anything here at the moment, but over the course of the next few hours and a couple of days you will see this start to increase. And there you go, that's how easy it is to get mining a Votecoin. Okay, so that's about it for today's video. If you need any help, please feel free to leave a comment below, or you can hit me up on Twitter at Mark's Crypto. And I also want to point out Mining Speed's Discord chat. If you pop on over here, type in your name, you'll find lots of people willing to help you out if you have any questions. There's a great community. I'm on there all the time. Many other people who know a lot more than I do. So hopefully we'll see you there soon. Don't forget to comment, like, dislike and subscribe. Thank you for watching.